Many people ask me, what can you do to a boat that is super oxidized and doesn't have any shine left to it? As you can see, this boat right here has been neglected and has no shine left to it whatsoever. Now, just to give you an idea of what can happen, my assistant here is going to pick up the buffer and we're going to show you what can be done with cloudy and oxidized gel coat to make it look new. Roy, go ahead. Okay, as you can see, we're able to develop a great gloss out of that situation right there. Now, if your boat's been neglected this long, you will have to pay for this service because it's not just as simple as waxing. Once we're done with this, then we seal it up with Simic's non-wax clear coating, which will last way longer than any wax you have out there, and just does an awesome job. Tony the Detail Man, St. Augustine, Florida, will never leave wax in your cracks.